ବଢିଆ ପ୍ରଣାଳୀଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆଣିଛି ବୁଝିଲେ କି ନାହିଁ ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ପ୍ରଣାଳୀଟା ବୁଝିଲା ଦେଖିଲ there is a greenhouse there is a greenhouse the greenhouse inside a brown house there is a brown house the brown house inside a white house there is a white house the white house inside a pool of water the white house inside a pool of water who am I who tell me guava
pumpkin
watermelon
dragon fruit
papaya guava jackfruit orange brinjal banana watermelon
coconut
very good बहुत धन्यवाद ताकि पकुआ नहीं बहुत धन्यवाद ताकि यहाँ जी पकुआ न मुझे लगला नहीं आंसर हो कौन पकुआ न